Luke Kajorski here with yet another Luke's Tuesday tip. Now, me and my partner, Garbage the cat over here, want to talk to you about HVAC systems. Now, what does HVAC stand for? Well, it's pretty easy. Hamburgers, vegetables, and Chevrolet cars. No, it's not that. It's heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. Now, in everybody's house, there's an HVAC system, and that means that there's a filter that the air flows through, and it filters out all that dirty air. Now, Garbage knows, just like anybody else, that there's going to be a lot of fur and a lot of dirt. Yep. And this one's no different. It's been about 40 days since I've changed this thing, and look at how much hair. It's pretty gross. Time to change this filter out. So, if you want to take a look here at a clean filter versus a dirty filter, you can see that the dirty, it's pretty dirty. It's time to change it out. So go ahead and line up the filter as it's supposed to go in, pop her in there, zip her up, and you're good for another 30 days. That's Luke's tip of the day. See you later.